All right, so here's the next multiplication video. So in this one, we're doing multiplication of 2 and 3. Okay, so there's sort of a little rule or strategy to help you with multiplying by 2. So it uses doubling, and I give the example of 4 plus 4 is 8. So knowing your doubles can be really helpful. So if you're struggling with that, I would practice your doubles. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, all the way up to 10 plus 10. Knowing your doubles will be helpful, especially multiplying by 2. So I've got some examples here. So we've got 2 times 4 is 8. So that's 2 groups of 4 is 8. While I'm going over these questions, you can think about these answers and then I'll put them in after. So we've got 2 groups of 3, 2 groups of 2, 2 groups of 5, 2 groups of 10, and 2 groups of 6. All right. So if you want to pause and think about those answers, again, you're just doubling that other number. Okay. Just double that other number and you'll get your answer. Or adding the 2 similar ones like I did here. So this would be 3 plus 3, 2 plus 2, etc. Okay. So let's go over those answers. So we've got 6, 4. This is the same as says down here, 5 plus 5. Or I've drawn the picture, 2 groups of 5. So I've got 2 groups and I did the 5 tallies in each. So I go 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 2 groups of 5 is 10. Doubling 10 makes 20. And then 2 groups of 6 or 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so doubling can be a very handy strategy for multiplying by 2. So practice your doubles if you need to. Let's move on to multiplying by 3. All right, so multiplying by 3, not much of a strategy to help you out. I just put on there, use pictures to help and draw 3 groups. Okay, so I did an example here with 3 times 1. So this means 3 groups of 1. So I've drawn my 3 groups and I put 1 in each. And you'll notice that I have different pictures. I got colored in circles. I got tallies. I've just got little O's. You can do whatever makes sense for you. That doesn't take a lot of time. So I've showed the repeated adding here. So it's the same as 1 plus 1 plus 1 because I have 3 groups of 1, or my picture and I just count how many I have inside those groups, right? So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've drawn a picture for 3 groups of 4. So I've drawn the 3 groups of 4 and I've also got the repeated adding here, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so if you can skip count by 4s, 4, 8, 12. Okay, if you have to go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to start out, do that. That's fine. Okay, please don't go like this though. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know that there's 4 there. So it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, make things a little quicker for you. All right, 3 times 3 over here. So I've got 3 groups of 3. Looks like bowling balls, doesn't it? So I just count how many I have. It's the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. All right. Now we should go back to our multiplying by 0. Now we know the answer is always 0. Okay. No picture needed for that. 3 groups of 2. So this is going back to our doubling from above. So that's the same as 3 plus 3. Okay, it gives us 6. And then this one here, 3 groups of 5. Now in this one, you could skip count by 5s, which is a little easier at times because we know our 5s usually. And it's always good. We've got 5 right here. So you could just go 5, 10, 15, right? Skip counting by 5s. If you wanted to draw, no problem. Use whatever strategy you need. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I can count my 5, 10, and 15. Now, one thing I want to point out is that even if the numbers were reversed, and I talked about this in the other video, if it was 5 times 3, it's going to be the same answer. So if you want to do 3 groups of 5, like I've drawn, or if you want to draw 5 groups of 3, that doesn't matter. The answer will still be the same. So I can draw 5 groups, and put 3 in each. So it's whatever is easier. I usually choose to draw the smaller number of groups, but it's totally up to you. So then this would be 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So you see the answer is the same. Okay, so you can practice some of your 3 times tables. Maybe have some parents just ask you some questions 2 times. Practice the doubling. All right.